Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chutneys or dips for Kashmiri barbecue or Seekh Tujj. There's a wide variety of chutneys served and I'll show you a few among them. These chutneys are easy to make and surprising in taste. Each chutney has a different taste and these are made with a very few ingredients. So let's get started. Chutney 1 is mint and coriander green chutney. So I have taken a roughly chopped coriander in a blender, few green chilies, few garlic cloves, you can add ginger also if you like, and a bunch of mint leaves roughly chopped, and salt according to our taste, and chaat masala. Blend, and here is our chutney ready. Now in portion of this chutney I have added some curd, and this is another chutney. And the third one, I have taken 2 tablespoons of curd and grated carrot, finely grated carrot, red chili powder, salt according to our taste, mint, you can take fresh mint also, I have taken dried mint, green chilies finely diced, and a tablespoon of finely chopped coriander. Mix and the chutney is ready. So here the chutney is ready. For another one, I have taken 2 tablespoons of curd, half a cup of finely grated carrot, half a cup of finely grated radish, salt, dried mint powder, or you can take fresh also. Mix and it's ready. It's mild, you can add chilies if you want. I have not added. So here is one more chutney ready. Now for another one, I have taken 2 tablespoons of curd, 1 tablespoon of grated cucumber, finely grated cucumber, a teaspoon of grated carrot, radish, onions, dried mint leaves, you can add fresh also, salt, finely chopped green chilies, and a teaspoon of freshly chopped green coriander. Mix and it's ready. It's kind of a raita. Now moving to another, this is onion chutney. I have already done a video, I'll leave a link below in description box. Now for another one, I have taken 2 tablespoons of curd and 2 tablespoons of finely grated onions. You can skip onions in this chutney. Less than half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of finely grated radish, dried mint leaves or you can use fresh, finely chopped coriander leaves and green chilies, and salt. Mix and the chutney is ready. These are few of the chutneys that I showed. It's not limited to these only. You can use any chutney and any seasoning of your choice. You can use cumin seeds or any other ingredients of your choice. Pickle is also served with barbecue in Kashmir, or you can serve walnut chutney also with running consistency. Give these chutneys a try and let me know in comments how they turn. Thank you for watching. Keep watching my channel for more videos. Subscribe, like and share. Have a nice day.